Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SIM swap protection steps with AT&T, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up SIM swap protection with AT&T, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the AT&T website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Look for security or security features and click on it. In the security settings, find the option for SIM swap protection. Select Enroll or Activate to start the setup process. Review the information provided about SIM swap protection. You may need to verify your identity, so be prepared to receive a one-time passcode. Enter the code into the designated field and submit. After verification, you may have the option to set up additional security questions. Choose security questions that you can easily remember but are difficult for others to guess. Once you've completed the setup, save your changes. Next, consider setting up two-factor authentication for extra security. Return to the main account settings and look for the two-factor authentication option. Follow the prompts to enable and configure two-factor authentication. Ensure that you link your preferred method for authentication, such as SMS or an authentication app. Review your current security settings and confirm that SIM swap protection is active. It might be helpful to periodically check your settings to ensure everything remains up to date. Remember to keep your account information secure and change your passwords regularly to enhance security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.